Good morning, baby OPOS stars. Hello, OPOS stars. We'll do the C2P5 series where we'll attempt to do a curry in 5 minutes from scratch. So let me not waste time and start the chopping fast. This will be the Aviyal. You need to complete the loading in under 5 minutes. And the cooking should happen in another 3 minutes or so. So I can't afford to delay. That is done. I'll add around 3 tablespoons of water. Add all these. It's taken slightly more than a minute. Close and cook on high for around 2 to 3 whistles. And while it is cooking, let me just make the sauce. I got 3 minutes more. To get the sauce ready. Be very careful, don't hurt your fingers. Don't attempt these if you are not fast in the kitchen. Do not rush, take your time and always play it safe. That should do. Let me get the blender. Add some chopped coconut. A few green chilies, around 3 green chilies. Some cumin, maybe a couple of teaspoons of cumin. And a teaspoon of salt. Some yogurt. And a bit of coconut oil to emulsify. And to give it a nice flavor. You can use the leftover coconut water if you like, so as not to waste it. The sauce is done. Let me get the plating ready. Crush some curry leaves. Add a bit of coconut oil for the flavor. And we have 30 more seconds. Switch off, release the pressure. Mix it all up. and plate it. There you go. Aviyal start to finish in exactly 5 minutes from scratch, cutting to plating. Not too bad, eh?